Hello, this is a review of the Supstable. You'll have to forgive my pronunciation, I'm sure it's not right. Mini chainsaw that's been kindly sent to me for a review. I've undone the box. It's come well packaged, but it also comes in a very neat plastic box, which is really handy because it means you've got somewhere to store it. Let's just open it up and I'll give you the model number with the instructions that are inside. It is the Supstable cordless mini chainsaw model 10C6M. Yeah, so it's a cordless mini chainsaw. Let's have a look in the box, and first thing's what you'd expect is the chainsaw itself. It's a nice handy size. The grip's good. We've got two buttons on the top that I'll find out what they are. We have a 2 amp hour 21 volt lithium ion battery. We've got 2 of those, that's fantastic. And we have a battery charger with a UK plug on it, which is great. We have the chain, 2 chains. So we've got a spare chain and one on it. So that's, wow, that's 3 chains that come with it. 1 on the machine and 2 spares. I was not expecting that. That's that's fantastic. So I'll be all right for a good while with those. Yeah, we've got a little bottle for the chain oil, but we don't have any chain oil. Luckily, it's probably to do with shipping and things. Luckily, I do have a bit of chain oil for another chainsaw that I've got, so that's not a problem. So yeah, you will need to get some chain oil. But you'll need that anyway because you constantly need to keep it topped up because it's running, keeping the chain lubricated all the time. So you do go through a fair bit of oil. So it's always good to have some in. So yeah, great, really good box. Let's just make sure, see if it fits back in the box. Not sure which way around it'll go. Guessing it's like that. So your batteries, show where your batteries go. Batteries in there, chainsaw, and all your bits and bobs fit in there, and put that in, and it closes. What I do tend to find a lot with these things is they pack everything up, and then once you've taken it out, you try to get it back in, and you can't. Well, that's not the case with this one. It all goes back into the box, which is great. Right. Oh, you do get a little screwdriver in there as well, and I'm assuming that's to adjust adjustment on the chain, which it looks like just there. It is, yeah, an adjustment on the locking. Right. I'm not sure what battery power we've got. It's got a little battery power indicator on the back, and what we've got full power. You see that? We've got full power on that one, and and again we've got full power on that one, which is really nice. So we do need to get some lubrication on there. The chain seems to be, just watch your fingers, this chain seems to be moving around quite nicely, so it's probably got about the right tension on it as it is. The instructions, I'm assuming they're fairly self-explanatory. The oil will go in the top, in that one. This is a little, I think it's a little pump, so you can pump the oil onto the chain. And we'll do that before we cut anything, but we will give it a go as well. So just pop it in. Now I'm not over the top on personal protection, but with chainsaws I do like, at the very least, to wear some gloves and something on your head. Now with this one, because it's got a short blade or short chain, even if it were to come off, it would probably only go, or if it were to break rather, it would probably only go so far, and it has got this protection on the back, so that when you cut through the thing, this lifts up, and then, but it keeps it from coming back at your face. But even so, I do like to wear some protection. It just makes sense. But you do whatever is you feel comfortable with. So let's give it a go. You press the side button, safety button, in with your thumb, and then the trigger. And it does exactly what you'd expect it to do. It looks like a very good build quality. It's plastic, which I would expect it to be honest. I wouldn't expect it to be metal, but it's quite a robust plastic. The battery fits in really nicely. As I said before, it's got the charge indicator on there, so you can see if it needs recharging. And yeah, looks very simple. This is the guard cover, the blade cover. You take that off if you want to change the blade, and change the blade, tighten it up, and just make sure that the tension is correct. But yeah, looks like a great bit of kit. It's 6 inches, the blade, which is you wouldn't want to. I wouldn't go trying to cut through anything bigger than that. It's not really what this is designed for. It's for a bit of pruning, probably sort of up to about 4 inch, I would think would be okay. But we'll give it a try and see what we can cut up. We'll take it outside and have a go with it now. Okay, we've got a shrub here that's it was next to the workshop when we had a fire last June, or a year ago last June, and it's got damaged. It started to grow a bit at the bottom, so it's ready now to have these long branches pruned away. So we'll have a go with this with the Supstable 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw with a 21 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion battery. Right, let's see how it performs. Got through that easy enough. About 1.5 inches thick, this piece. Cuts through it like butter. Well, that was very easy. And no effort at all. Okay, let's pop a bit of chainsaw oil in before we start. This is just ordinary chainsaw oil. Not sure how well we're going to get it in there. Let's try carefully. Whoop. Make sure it doesn't go all over the place. There you go. Made a bit of a mess. I'll wipe off a little bit spilled over. So now that's lubricating the chain as it goes round. Okay. But we did that without the battery in. I have some saplings here that need pruning back a bit. Made short work of that. Okay, let's try it on something a little bit thicker. This is about 3 inches in diameter. Just do that easy. Yes, really impressive. Just watch out for getting the blade trapped. But yes. Right, we'll just go for something a little bit thicker. Okay, I've got a piece here that's about 4 inches thick. really easy. Okay, we've got a branch that's about 6 inches thick here. Let's see how it copes with that. I hope I caught that. That was pretty easy. Let's just go through it again. Yes, very good. Well, there you can see how easy it is, and I'm still a bit out of breath, but but it's pretty easy going, and yeah, it really does chop that stuff down. The only downside of it, of course, is that you finish up with all that rubbish to get rid of. But hey ho. Yes, that's tidied it up no end, and we're thinking of clearing this area anyway, and grassing it apart from where the tree is, just to make it a bit easier for maintenance. So yeah, great stuff, and it did the job really well, and it was easy no struggling with secateurs or a handsaw. It just buzzed through everything, right from thin stuff to thick. Well, that's got the bulk of it tidied away. Well, there we have it. That's the Supstable mini chainsaw in use. You've seen what I've done with it. I did go through one battery, although I hadn't charged it up. It's just what came with it, although it did look as though it was fully charged. And the second battery, you see there, well, I'll put it that way around. It's still got 2 bars on it, 2 clear bars on it, so it's only halfway down that battery, and it's done an awful lot of work. I got the oil in, so that's okay, and yeah, it worked really well. Easy to use, easy to handle, and just saves an awful lot of time. Well, I hope you enjoyed that review. Thanks to these good people at Supstable for sending me the mini chainsaw, and I'll put a link below in the description where you can get hold of one yourself, and I think there should be a discount code that you can enter as well. So it's well worth a look at, and I think it's a great bit of kit. I have had one before in the past, not this type, but when I had the big workshop fire, it went up with the rest of the tools, and so I'm really grateful to and happy to get another one, because I know how useful they are. It just makes life a lot easier. And yeah, and with the extra chains, I know I'm good for quite a long time now. So hopefully you enjoyed the review. If you did, give it that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, if you could subscribe, that'd be great. And while you're subscribing, ring the notification bell, and it will let you know when I upload another video, and you'll be able to watch that as well. And also leave a comment. I do enjoy getting the comments, so please do that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.